Yeah, always begin with a problem. So begin with Nietzsche language, metaphor, truth, historical consciousness, perspectivalism. Okay, begin with the problem. Show that you understand. Show that there's a problem out there. That's the biggest thing you want to learn to do as a critical thinking. That there are problems that we have to deal with, right? Most people don't want to deal with problems. Most people don't see problems, right, or don't want to see them, and they repress that. So you have to basically say, this is a problem, right? And then the next thing is, how can you investigate the problem? Lo and behold, you can investigate it through Nietzsche. Okay, so all that's a great move to do, right? That you say, hey, we just happen to be using this text, right? I mean, the reader doesn't have to know that you're using this text, but you basically want to say there's a problem out there, and here's a tool that can help us look at the problem, a text that can help us look at the problem, right? And then you want to justify why, you want to use that text to look at the problem. There you have to get beyond the fact that this is a required course, right, and a required text, and you were asked to read it, right. You have to come up with a justification for reading it beyond what the university and the professor have mandated to you. Okay. And then you want to be specific. What parts of the text are you going to use? Okay. Indicate the media that you're going to use to explore the problem. So, hey, we're not just writing critical essays anymore, right? We're writing graphic novels, we're writing video game designs, dialogues, etc. So how are you going to investigate the problem is twofold, the text and the writing of it, the media. And then you have to justify the media being utilized, right? So I went over that, right? A video game, most people are going to think, hey, a video game, it's a trash, that's not going to work, only the critical essay, right, of the university will work. So you have to justify why you're using a certain type of media, okay? And then you go to providing a thesis, a theory, which will navigate the problem. Again, you're always making an argument. You're not just there to describe or to report or to coverage or to summarize, okay? And then most importantly, you want to categorize. You want to say, this is the problem I'm going to look at. I'm going to look at it through this text. This is going to be my thesis that navigates things. And these are the three things that I'm going to look at, right? So 3 is a number that is used in the academy and scholarly writing a lot. It's very convenient. And so basically you're breaking down the text into 3 sort of big ideas.